Good morning, students. Once again, we are here to discuss the biology chapter, that is life processes, and our recommended book is class 10 science biology. And we have to discuss the topic excretion. Excretion in animals. सो फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज नीड ऑफ एक्सक्रीशन, यानी ये जो टॉपिक है एक्सक्रीशन, इसमें जो हम लोग को पढ़ना है एक्सक्रीशन इन एनिमल्स, तो ये बोलता है कि नीड ऑफ एक्सक्रीशन क्या है। तो ड्यूरिंग मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इन एडिशन टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सर्टेन हेल्पफुल प्रोडक्ट्स, सर्टेन हार्मफुल वेस्ट सब्सटेंसेस आर आल्सो फॉर्म। हम लोग जानते हैं कि हमारे जो मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज़ है लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का, इसमें कुछ यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट बनने के साथ साथ कुछ हार्मफुल वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट भी बनते हैं। और वो जो प्रिंसिपल है, द प्रिंसिपल वेस्ट आर नाइट्रोजीनियस सब्सटेंसेस, और जो वेस्ट है वो नाइट्रोजीनियस सब्सटेंस जैसे अमोनिया, यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड है। ये मेनली ड्यूरिंग द कैटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ एक्सेस ऑफ एमिनो एसिड प्रोटीन्स थ्रू स्मॉल अमाउंट्स ऑफ यूरिक एसिड ऑल्सो फॉर्म ड्यूरिंग द मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ द pernice and nucleic acid. Similarly, water and carbon dioxide are also produced during respiration, and pigments are formed during the metabolism of hemoglobin of dead RBCs. Accumulation of these wastes may be toxic. तो ये जो सारे वेस्ट हैं, इनका अगर एक्यूमुलेशन हमारे बॉडी में होता चला गया तो ये टॉक्सिक के समान होगा। इसीलिए फॉर एग्जांपल ये सब ज़्यादा जो एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर है, मे बी डाइल्यूशन ऑफ बॉडी फ्लूइड एंड इंक्रीज इन ब्लड प्रेशर, सो दिस मे बी एक्सपेल्ड आउट ऑफ द बॉडी। तो डेफिनेशन ऑफ एक्सक्रीशन क्या है? द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सपेलिंग ऑफ नॉन gaseous nitrogen waste like ammonia, uric acid, etc., along with the excess of water, salt, pigment out of the body is called excretion. Main aim of the excretion is to keep the constant internal chemical composition of the body fluid is called hemostasis. Now the difference between excretion and defecation. Excretion definition: a process of expelling nitrogenous wastes like ammonia, uric acid, urea out of the body. Defecation means process of expelling undigested food out of the body. Organs involved: kidney and other parts of the excretory system. Here large intestine and anus of the digestive system occurs through urinary aperture of urethra, or here anus. Modes of the excretion of excretory system in the lower animal groups, that is protozoans, amoeba, sponges, and coleotrates, are mainly excretory matter is ammonia, which is highly soluble in water. As the animals of these phyla have thin walls and every cells of the body is in direct contact with the surrounding water, so these do not have any special organs, and ammonia is lost in which water through their general body surface by diffusion. This is called body surface excretion. But the invertebrates of the higher groups and all the vertebrates have different strategies, but a special excretory organ to expel their nitrogenous waste. These are listed in the table 19. Here are the excretory or urinary system of the man, in which the following are the parts: kidney, second ureters, third urinary bladder, and the fourth one is urethra. Here is the excretory system of man. Here a pair of kidneys, adrenal gland, left kidney, hilum, pelvis of ureter, left ureter, urinary bladder, opening of ureter, and urethra. Now the excretory organs of the animal. Here is a detailed chart is given. You may look in your respective books. Animals, nitrogenous waste which they remove, and excretory organ. Now function of kidney. Kidney, the main primary excretory organ of the man. These are one pair of large side reddish brown colored and bean shaped structure present in the upper part of the abdomen along dorsal body wall. As on the either side of the vertebral column, a concavity of the kidney called hilum is always inward directed. The kidneys are asymmetrical in position, the right kidney being slightly lowered in position. Internally, each kidney is formed of the about 1 million uriniferous or renal tubules or nephrons, holded together by connective tissues and surrounded by a tough white fibrous corpuscles. नेफ्रॉन्स आर कॉन्वोल्यूटेड, तो ईच जो नेफ्रॉन होता है वो क्या होता है, कॉन्वोल्यूटेड इन अपर पार्ट ऑफ द किडनी कॉल्ड रीनल कॉर्टेक्स, जो कि रन करता है कि स्ट्रेट और सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द किडनी में कॉल्ड रीनल मेड्यूला. नेफ्रॉन ऑफ द किडनीज फॉर्म द यूरिन, जो नेफ्रॉन होता है किडनीज के वही यूरिन फॉर्म करता है. विथ एरिया एज द मेन नाइट्रोजीनियस वेस्ट, सो मैन इज ureotelic in excretion. Ureters, these are a pair of long, narrow, thin-walled and tubular structures which start from the hilum of the kidneys, run downward and open in urinary bladder. These conduct the urine from the urinary to the kidneys to the urinary bladder by peristalsis. Urinary bladder, it is thin-walled, elastic, pear-shaped and distensible sac present in the lower part of the abdomen. It is temporarily stores in the urine until the increase in pressure and urge for expelling. Its wall is lined with smooth involuntary muscles. Urethra, it is a muscular and tubular structure which extends from the urinary bladder to the outside. It carries the urine to the outside. Now here the differences between ureters and urethra. Characters: extend from kidneys to urinary bladder, and here urethra extend from urinary bladder to outside. Function: conduct urine and sperm in male. Here a nephron of the human kidney. It is the picture of nephron. And now structure and function of nephron. Nephron are excretory or functional unit of the kidneys. Each nephron is formed of the two parts, Bowman's capsule and nephric tubules. Bowman's capsule क्या है student? It is a double-walled cup present in the renal cortex. It is lined by a thin and semi-permeable epithelium of the flat cells. In the cavity of the Bowman's capsule, there is a gap of blood corpuscle capillaries called glomerulus, found by the division of renal artery. Bowman's capsule and the glomerulus are collectively called Malpighian body or renal corpuscles. Glomerulus act as a ultrafilter and is site of the filtration under pressure called ultrafiltration. In this, large amount of water along with certain useful compound and certain harmful waste are filtered out in the Bowman's capsule. The filtrate so formed is called glomerular or nephric filtrate. In a normal adult person, the rate of glomerular filtration called GFR 125 ml per minute, so about 170 to 180 liter of nephric filtrate is formed daily. Nephric tubule क्या है? It is long and coiled and is formed of three parts. ये तीन parts का बना होता है. Proximal convoluted tubule, PCT, it is convoluted part of the nephron and lies in the renal cortex. It is the main site of selective reabsorption of sodium, calcium, glucose, amino acid, etc. from the nephric filtrate. Second है क्या? Loop of Henle. It is U-shaped tubular structure जो present होते हैं renal medulla में. ये दो limbs के बने होते हैं, thin walled descending line and thick walled ascending limb. Descending limb permeable to the water but impermeable to mineral like sodium chloride, but ascending limb is impermeable to water but permeable to sodium chloride. It concentrates the urine. Distal convoluted tubule, DCT, it is a convoluted part and lies in the renal cortex. It opens in the collective tubule. Most of the water from the nephric filter is absorbed through the wall of DCT and collecting tubulars. Here the next topic is osmoregulation. So we will read this topic in the next video, student. Okay, that's all. Have a nice day.